Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we will discuss another 25 questions related to capacitor, work, power, energy from basic electrical engineering. Friends, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for the latest video from PSC Confidence Booster. So let me start. Question number 1. In a radio gang condenser is a type of. Answer is option A, air capacitor. Question number 2. At high frequencies, the type of bypass capacitor that works best is. Answer is option A, ceramic. Question number 3. Capacitors are said to. Answer is option B, block DC and pass AC. Question number 4. 1 kilowatt hour equal dash HP. Answer is option C, 1.34 HP. Question number 5. For the same rating, which capacitor is physically smaller? Answer is option D, ceramic capacitor. Question number 6. Which of the following capacitors will have the least variation? Answer is option C, silver plated mica capacitor. Question number 7. The SI unit of energy is. Answer is option A, joule. Question number 8. The dielectric of a capacitor should have. Answer is option B, high permittivity. Question number 9. A capacitor consists of two. Answer is option D, conductors separated by an insulator is called dielectric. Question number 10. Energy expended or heat generated in joules when a current of 1 amperes flows through a conductor of resistance R ohm for T second is given as. Answer is option A, I square RT. Question number 11. Sparking between contacts can be reduced by inserting a. Answer is option C, capacitor in parallel with contacts. Question number 12. A bank of capacitors across the load of a factory is used to. Answer is option B, improving power factor. Question number 13. Which medium has the highest value of dielectric strength? Answer is option A, mica. Question number 14. 1 calorie equals dash joule. Answer is option B, 4.2 joule or 4.184 joule. Question number 15. Which one of the following types of capacitor is polarized? Answer is option A, electrolytic capacitor. Question number 16. The best place to install a capacitor is. Answer is option B, across the terminals of the inductive load. Question number 17. According to Joule's law of heating, the amount of heat produced in the conductor is proportional to the. Answer is option D, all of these, because H, heat equals I square RT. Question number 18. Which medium has the least dielectric strength? Answer is option C, air. Question number 19. The inverse of capacitance is called. Answer is option D, susceptance. Question number 20. The real power dissipated in a pure capacitor is. Answer is option A, 0. Question number 21. An electrolyte gives electrical energy at the expense of. Answer is option C, the electrode which goes into solution. Question number 22. Which one of the following capacitors is only suitable for DC? Answer is option B, folded aluminum electrolyte capacitor. Question number 23. Sparking between contacts can be reduced by inserting A. Answer is option C, capacitor in parallel with contacts. Question number 24. If the medium of a parallel plate capacitor consisting of a mica and air, the capacitance is increased by. Answer is option D, increasing the area of plates. Question number 25. If the efficiency of a machine is to be high, what should be low? Answer is option A, losses.